Hello! Today I will be showing you how to stream your OBS setup to your friends using Discord. What we will need is OBS Studio and Discord. Let's get right into it. First, what you will want to do is go to OBS Studio. You should see your scene up here. Right-click and go to Windowed Projector Preview. Click on that. Go to Discord. Call your friend. When your friend answers the voice call, go to Turn on Screen Share, Application Window, Windowed Projector Preview, Share. That's how you stream OBS to Discord. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.